So right now I'm going to show you how quickly you can assemble the framework recipe template measurements to a sheet of paper using the Creative Memories zero centering ruler. Now this ruler here, it's centered on the grid from the middle out and from the bottom up. The nice thing about this ruler is that it fits between the jeeping on your page, so it doesn't shift, and you can use the grid lines to quickly lay out a page. The template measurements show that the outside edge of the template is a 1/2 inch width, and the inside spaces between your pieces is a 1/4 inch. I have all my pieces cut with adhesive on the back. I have my zero centering ruler, so let's begin. I'm going to go flush with my jeeping, and I'm going to go a 1/2 inch from the bottom of the page so I can see 2 blocks. First piece, 2 7/8 by 3.5. We'll sit a 1/2 inch from the edge of the page. So I'm going 2 blocks from the edge. Nice thing about these ones, it has a nice flush edge for you to put your piece against so it doesn't slide. And that's piece number 1. Second piece number 2. Next piece we're calling for, 1/4 inch apart, is my strip. Flush with the edge. Put you down and up. There we go. And now we're going to start lining up our little pieces. I'm going to go dark green first. Quarter inch from the last piece I put down, and I'm finishing a 1/2 inch from the edge. There we are. I want to go a 1/4 inch above this one, so I'm going to slide this up so I see 1 bar only, and I'm going 1/4 inch from the edge here. So the next one is going to be my light color. There we are, going up a 1/4 inch again. Flush with my jeeping. There we are. I'm going to use a shimmer piece next. And now you'll see all these pieces should be lined up the same. And I'm going a 1/4 inch above that again. And I'm adding my big piece just here. Voila, voila. I'm adding my little piece and back to the dark green. Just there, we're going up a 1/4 inch again above that one. We're going with the lighter color. Like so. Bingo, bingo. Going up a 1/4 inch again above that one. Flush with my jeeping. I'm going flush on my right hand side. Shimmer piece this time. Done, done. I should all be flush up here the same. Yes, I'm going a 1/4 inch above that again for my next piece. And we're back to our smaller pieces on this side. 1/2 inch from the edge of the frame. I don't want to lean over too far because I don't want to block my camera view. Next piece, there's a 1/4 inch from there. Done. And on this side, we're back to our last 3 pieces. Yellow piece. 1/4 inch up again. And our last shimmer piece. And there you have your sketch layout. No jiggling around, repositioning 100 times. Done in once. The simplicity of the Creative Memories Zero Centering Ruler.